All right. Good morning. Good morning. Today is February 1, 2019. Yesterday, well, this is the second part to a video I did yesterday. The sink drain was leaking. Whenever I left, I realized that the part of the drain pipe that attaches to the sink, I left a washer out of there, and it probably showed up in the, well, I'm sure it showed up in the video, but I'm going back. Like I said, this is the next day. I'm going back to put that washer in. It'll take just a couple minutes, but I just started thinking about it. I don't know if it was because I was in a hurry or what, but started thinking about that it wasn't there. Opened up the package, and sure enough, there it sat in the package. So I'm gonna go back over there, put that on real quick, and call that one done. I'll turn you back on then. Okay, so this is the little piece I was talking about. It is going to focus. It's going to fit this way, right into there, between the sink and this. There's a little lip right there, fits in between that. So I don't have my good camera, so I'm going to pull that out. Let me pull the whole thing out. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, we've changed this all around now. This is going to be the correct piece. I'm sorry, the correct piece. It's got whew, out of breath. The gasket that will seal up to the sink, and then this other stuff will go on just like it is here. So I need to cut this off to be about the same, and go ahead and put it in. So I'm going to cut this almost exactly the same, I hope. So do that, and we'll see what happens. All right, so we're all good. Went on without a hitch, so now we're sealed up on both sides. But while I was in here, I did find another leak right in there. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on there. So anyhow, that's it for this one. Until next time.